Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $300 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $300, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. SJRC F7 Pro Drone 4K Camera. SJRC F7 Pro Drone 4K Camera GPS HD 5G Wi-Fi FPV 3-axis gimbal is professional brushless quadcopter with CAM-RC foldable. The 3-axis pan-tilt lens is equipped with a wide-angle 4K high-definition Wi-Fi, which can adjust the shooting angle of the front camera on the remote control. The 3-axis pan-tilt makes the aircraft shooting video clearer and more stable, and the angle makes the field of vision wider. With the built-in computer, the image transmission is actually 3km, in barrier-free environment, and the long-distance image transmission increases consumers' sense of experience and vision. Precise positioning, with GPS precise positioning, can achieve 1 key return, no signal return, low power return, avoid flying loss. Ultra-long endurance 11.1 V 2600 mAh lithium battery, with an endurance of about 29 minutes. Increases the sense of flight experience. Custom route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app. Intelligent follow, surround flight, palm control, map real-time positioning, UF, out of control map, route planning, app mobile phone control, 1-button return, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, automatic switching optical flow, GPS, brushless motor. Provide more powerful power and more durable service life, strong sense of speed, strong burst, good wind resistance. Number 2. Cfly F7 Pro Drone. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. Optical flow positioning. It captures image data with the drone's bottom camera, then uses the optical flow to improve the smoothness of the control. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Altitude hold mode. In altitude hold mode, the drone maintains a consistent altitude while allowing roll, pitch, and yaw to be controlled normally. 1 key takeoff/landing. 1 press automatically taking off or landing. The drone will take off or go back to the position where it took off, and it is very suitable for novice operation. 1 key return. 1 key return function makes it easy. Number 3. K11 Tubro FPV-RC Drone. 3-axis mechanical stabilization gimbal plus electronic stabilization and anti-shake plus laser obstacle avoidance. 1 key GPS return to the takeoff point. Low battery return, no signal return. Identify the subject and automatically follow the flight within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft. Make a camera gesture. Camera gesture facing the camera. The aircraft flies autonomously according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Find the center point of circling, and then move the desired circling radius through the joystick. Click the GPS signal icon 3 times continuously to open the map interface, and the map will display the final distance, latitude and longitude position of the aircraft. Single or multiple selections can be selected to share photos, and videos can only be shared individually each time. 4K adjustable camera, 3-axis mechanical stabilization GIMB. Number 4. Jeonlog 35 V2 analog FPV drone. Gathering the experience and evolution of the JEP team in all aspects. Jeonlog 35V2 is finally launched to the market with better performance. Jeonlog 35V2 version integrated with O3 VTX. The Jeonlog 35V2 version of the main carbon plate and injection protection frame increased the 7075 aluminium column for structural strengthening. The battery mounting method uses a tie with 7075 aluminium parts fixed. The Power XT60E1M plug is integrated with the carbon plate for convenient application. The protective frame for O3A unit adds a memory card and USB port for easy data reading. Equipped with F700 and 2245A AIO and the new Speedx2 2105.5 motor. More power, with a grip. Number 5. Potensic 4K Camera Drone. Potensic 4K Camera Drone Professional Mini Drone with 3-axis gimbal GPS 6km brushless RC Toys Quadcopter for travel gifts. Atom. The palm-sized drone, Atom, doesn't require fire or remoted registration. The compact design and storage bag make it easy to carry along on adventures. Equipped with Sony CMOS sensor and a 12MP camera capable of recording 4K/30 FPS video, the Atom drone with camera for adults 4K delivers respectable aerial image and video quality. The 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures smooth and steady footage even in level 5 windy conditions. Atom Fly More Combo has a parallel charging hub supporting 60W full quick charge for 3 batteries at once in 1.5 hours. The 3 batteries kit provides ample time for exploration. Limited time bonus: 64GB micro SD card. X1 upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology ensures stronger anti-interference compatibilities and a farther transmission range up to 6 km/20,000 ft. The drone's enhanced GPS capabilities and return to home feature contribute to steady aerial shots and safe flight, allowing the drone with camera to return to its takeoff point with a tap on the phone. All firmware supports photo. We recommend keeping up to date with the latest firmware to enjoy the ever-improving flight experience and shooting quality.